lost in a military training area on my Husqvarna FE450. Will I make it out undetected? It started as a fun ride on a new trail I found on Wikiloc, but little did I know, I ended up somewhere I shouldn't have been. I was tearing up the dirt roads behind the forest when I stumbled upon an exciting trail. As I went on, I realized I was in a weird area. The paths were wider and had track marks from what seemed to be military vehicles. The forest almost felt like a war zone. Suddenly, I realized I was lost. I had no idea where I was. I couldn't find a way out. I had steered away from the Wiki Lock path in hopes of discovering an exit. Going up and down the path, I was trying to find a way out. I sped through the forest, taking on the sand dunes and avoiding obstacles. Finally, I found an exit. But as I was driving out of the area, I saw a sign that I had never seen before. It was a military training area. That's why there were track marks and the paths were so wide. It was time to go. I didn't want to get caught in the crossfire. That was one of the more intense dirt bike adventures I've had. Join me on my exciting journeys and be a part of the adventure. Just hit that subscribe button and let's go.